Alright, so we have another function here. Given f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 2x minus 4, and we're asked to evaluate the function at f of negative 3. So what we do here, we take our function, f of x is 2x squared plus 2x minus 4, and for every x value that we see, we put a negative 3 in place of it. So basically we're going to take a negative 3, we're going to put it in for this x right here, and we're going to put it in for this x right here. So we'd have 2 times negative 3 squared plus 2 times the negative 3 minus 4. So here what we got to do, we got to figure out what our function value is. So remember your orders of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We have to take care of our exponents first before we do the multiplication. So we take care of negative 3 squared. Well, a negative 3 times a negative 3, well, that gets us a positive 9. And then we still have the 2 and the negative 3 over here, and then the minus 4. So once we took care of all the exponents, now we can move on down to multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here we have multiplication. So let's start multiplying. 2 times a negative 9, 2 times 9, well, that gets us a positive 18. Plus 2 times a negative 3, well, that gets us a negative 6. And then we have the minus 4. So let's clean this up a little bit, make it a little bit easier to see. So we have 18 plus a negative 6, well, that's the same thing as a minus 6. And then we have a minus 4. So all we have now is addition and subtraction. So 18 minus 6, well, that gets us a positive 12. And then we have the minus 4. So 12 minus 4, well, that gets us a positive 8. So for this particular function, we can say that at the function value f of negative 3, well, that's going to give us an 8 for a final answer.